Thank you for watching my video. So this video is to basically show you how you can find and replace words. So the easiest way to find that on a Word document is if you go to edit. You can sometimes see it along your header page, or you can actually see it on here. If you go to edit and you look for find, okay, then you get this drop down. So what you want to do is get the find and replace. So here it is here. And what you want to do is you want to just look for a word that you want to replace in the Word document. So I'm just going to randomly find a word that that you would expect to be changed. So I'm going to change this money because money will be there a few times. So if I look in here and I'll type in money and just enter, what it will do, it will show you how many results are found. So you can see on here that there's a result of 93 money words in this document. So what I want to do is I found it, and what I want to do is replace it. So in here, what would you like to replace it with? So you could change it to anything you want. So this is just an example. So I'm going to change from money, I'm going to change it to I'm going to change it. I'm going to keep money, but I'm just going to put anti-money. Okay, and then hopefully it should work out. And then you can see if you where you want to replace it. So you can actually replace. So at the moment it's highlighted there. You can just change the one. So as you can see, it's just changed the one. Or if you want to replace all of them, you can actually press replace all, and a pop-up will come up saying Microsoft Word, all 308 have been replaced. Okay, and you can see every time you find money again, it will show anti-money laundering, and in some cases double anti-money laundering, because some would say anti-money laundering in the first place. So you decide you've accidentally done this and you realize you don't want it anymore. So if you see this quick undo button here, if you click on there, or if you go to edit, you can actually see undo replace all. So if you change your mind and you don't wish to have it, just press undo and replace all. That will go back to its original wording. So if you just click on money again, you will see that it's remained as money and anti has been removed. So I'll just show you quickly again with something else. So due diligence. Let's find due diligence. I'm just going to put due because put the full word, or you might want to just replace one part of it, and it will show how many there is. It's 12 or 56, but there's 56 in total. So you could replace some of them, you could replace some of them, or all of them. It's entirely up to you. Then in this box, what you want to do is just change it. Just put the word you would like to replace it with. So if you decide that you don't want and you wanted it, or for example, instead of having a full word, you might want an abbreviation, you can just change it and put the abbreviation in, and then just click replace all. I'm just going to put it as I've decided I want a capital D, so I'm just going to put capital D, and it might be just as simple as that. Replace all. It will change all 56 with a capital D. So if you look for all the dues, you will see that the dues are all capital Ds. If you want to undo, you can quickly use the edit undo if you wanted to, or just use this undo here, and that will undo the whole change. So that was the quick and easiest way to replace words, find and replace words. Thank you for listening.